Packaging and storage of processed fish and seafood. The packaging of the product is very important to preserve its nutritive values. The challenge to the packaging industry is to deliver the processed fish and seafood to the consumer in the most economical, hygienic, safe, and environmentally friendly package. Hence, it is important to choose the right packaging material and a temperature-controlled storage area. The most common packaging material used to manufacture containers for processed fish and seafood are tin plate, aluminum alloys, glass jars, retortables, pouches. Stock rotation system like FIFO and FEFO are applied. FIFO, first in, first out, is a stock rotation system that dispatches processed food depending on the order in which it is produced. FEFO, first expired, first out, is a stock rotation system wherein products that need to be consumed earlier are shipped first.